Hi, good evening. Kamusta po? Alright, before po tayo mag-usap regarding the Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder or yung Kaiser 3-in-1 product po natin, let me first introduce myself. My name is John Ray Estorrio. I am a certified associate financial planner. I am now one of the senior marketing directors of IMG or International Marketing Group. And of course, one of the trainers based in Cebu City. And of course, we used to work in the BPO industry as customer service representative for 12 years. Now a certified life insurance underwriter at Insurance Institute for the Asia and the Pacific Incorporated, and also a licensed financial educator. Si IFG po is the official and exclusive broker po ni Kaiser. Kaiser is our healthcare provider. All right. So let me also introduce to you about who is Kaiser. Kaiser International Health Group Incorporated is registered as healthcare provider. So it offers both short-term and long-term healthcare plans. Kaiser was also incorporated and registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC. Also, Kaiser registered in Insurance Commission. Kaiser was also granted a clearance to operate by the Department of Health. Kaiser International Group entered into the partnership with the Judiciary of the Philippines. So si Kaiser na po ang official healthcare provider ng ating Supreme Court of the Philippines. And of course, Dr. Lea Yolo, the President and Medical Director of Kaiser International Health Group. Our main office is located in Hilpuyat Avenue, Barangay Bel Air, Makati. So we have our own building, Omnis Prosperity Tower. Okay, choosing the right healthcare. In the Philippines, a lot of sick people die not because there is no medicine or treatment available, but because they don't have money to pay for the cost. So siguro familiar po sa atin to, no, na marami po sa mga Pilipino walang nawala or namatay not because there is no medicine or no hospital available sa kanilang mga lugar, but they cannot simply afford to pay for the hospital bills. That's why they decided na magstay sa bahay until they passed away. So that's the sad reality, no, kung wala po tayong healthcare, especially sa Pilipinas, no? So the types of healthcare. Una, meron tayong tinatawag na short-term healthcare. This is also known as the traditional HMO. Generally, it has no life insurance coverage. There may be yearly increase of premium upon renewal. However, renewal is not guaranteed, especially when there is high claims. HMOs cover only up to age 60. There is non-return of premiums for non-utilization. So yung short term po natin is purely healthcare lang po siya. Wala siyang savings component, wala po siyang life insurance benefit. So renewable every year until age 60 lang po yung coverage ng short term. So not lifetime. And reality po sa buhay natin, karamihan po sa mga sakit natin maglalabasan during our senior years. So that's one of the disadvantages ng short term, no? Na hindi lifetime yung ating protection. And then non-return of premiums, ibig sabihin nun, wala pong savings component. So you're paying for the short term every year kung hindi mo nagagamit yung short term mo dahil hindi ka nagkakasakit. So yung binayaran mo, hindi yun babalik sa iyo as savings. Kasi walang savings component yung short term. Purely health po siya. And of course, we have what we call long-term health care. So it is an HMO with a health savings account. It has a which matures in 20 years. It comes with a four-way insurance coverage together with a long-term healthcare plan. Renewal is guaranteed and all unused health fund accumulates with interest. It covers or it may cover beyond age 60 with a long-term care growth. So ito yung nagustuhan ko sa long-term healthcare is we are covered beyond age 60. Meron po tayong protection, healthcare protection during our senior years. At the same time, meron siyang savings component. So nag-iipon ka. Whatever you save today, pwede mong gamitin for your retirement funds. And meron din siyang protection for your family because may insurance coverage. So we will be talking about this further sa ating program sa Kaiser 3-in-1. And meron din po tayo tinatawag na senior care. Senior care, this type of health, similarly to the short-term coverage, except that covers age 61 and beyond. Increase of premium every 10 years, but it has a lot of limitations. Covers up to age 100. Yan, so those are the three types of healthcares. Now, today, we will be talking about your priority, ma'am or sir. No? So, bakit kailangan natin maghanda? Bakit kailangan natin kumuha ng Kaiser 3-in-1? Because in life, no, we have a lot of priorities. Of course, we have a lot of goals, financial goals. We want to secure or achieve our financial security sa buhay para mabigyan po natin ng magandang buhay yung ating pamilya. Here in IMG, we call it building a solid financial foundation. So how to create wealth for your families? We need to make sure na yung financial house po natin is solid. So building a solid financial foundation, we have to make sure first, meron po tayong health care, both long-term and short-term. Yan. Very important yung health care kasi marami po sa mga tao nagkakaroon ng problema, no? Nagka-problema sa pera, nagkautang-utang because of health problems. No? Marami din tayong mga naririnig na naibenta lahat ng mga properties including bahay, lahat ng mga napundar na benta because of health problems kasi walang health care. And ang worst case dito is yung mamatay dahil hindi makaka-afford to send the family, no, or to send yourself sa hospital dahil hindi mo afford yung hospital bills or natatakot ka kung magkano yung hospital bills. So, very important ang healthcare. Nangunguna yan sa pagbibuild ng ating solid financial foundation because lahat tayo nangangailangan ng healthcare because lahat tayo ay tao. Lahat tayo ay magkakasakit. Hindi lang natin alam kung kailan tayo magkakasakit during our younger years pa or during our senior years. Kaya nga dapat meron tayong tinatawag na comprehensive healthcare, both short-term and long-term healthcare. Now, next is protection or life insurance. No, so ito yung maiiwan mo sa family mo, no? If in case mawala yung breadwinner, mawala ang breadwinner, meron po siyang maiiwan para sa atin. Hindi po kawawa yung family na maiiwan, no? So, kailangan ang breadwinner, ang life insurance is actually designed, no, dinisenyo po yan to provide instant money sa mga pamilya or sa mga anak na naiwan, no, to provide or to provide income replacement, no. So siya yung yung breadwinner pag nawala yung breadwinner sa family. Siya yung magiging new breadwinner sa family. So yun po yung purpose ng life insurance. It's a protection for your family if in case mawala yung breadwinner. Okay? Eliminate debts, tanggalin yung utang because utang is like a termite. Para siyang anay ng bahay. Anay sa bahay, kahit gaano kalaki yung bahay natin, kung maraming anay yan, yung pundasyon ng bahay masisira at masisira. Same thing with our financial house, financial foundation. Madaling masira yung ating financial foundation kung marami po tayong utang, no? So, ibig sabihin nun, mahihirapan ka in building your solid financial foundation kung marami kang utang. Lahat ng pinaghihirapan mo, na sahod mo, napunta sa pangbayad sa utang lang. So that's why we have to manage our debt. No? We need to pay our debt. No, kailangan tanggalin yung utang or eliminate yung mga liabilities sa buhay. No, emergency fund, mag-ipon sa bangko for emergencies para pag may mga problema, no, mga sudden event katulad ng job loss or business slowdown, major damages or repairs for homes, business properties, cars, etc. Nagkakasakit, disaster like bagyo, nasisira yung bahay dahil sa bagyo or dahil sa lindol, no? So we need to be prepared for these rainy days. So, ang emergency fund o yung pera mo sa bangko, that's for your emergency funds. And iba din yung nilagay mong pera doon sa investment. So investment is basically for your long-term goals. So ano ba yung common goals po natin sa ating long-term or sa ating future? That's retirement, no? So nag-iipon, nag-i-invest ka ngayon for your retirement funds or nag-i-invest ka ngayon for your kids' educational funds. So yun po yung mga example ng mga long-term goals po natin. So magkaiba yung investment at saka yung emergency fund. No? So kailangan hiwalay ang investment and savings sa bangko. So these are the ingredients on how to build a solid financial foundation. No? So hindi yan maububuo overnight, hindi yan mabibuild overnight, kailangan ng proseso, kailangan ng pag-aaral at kailangan ng isang malaking community na magtuturo sa atin ng tama in building our solid financial foundation. No? So ngayon po, i-check natin yung reality, no? Sa buhay ba natin ngayon, what is the status of our foundation? No? Nasa weak foundation pa ba tayo? Or is it now becoming into a strong foundation? Are we now building a strong foundation? So what is your situation right now po? No? Kasi karamihan sa mga Pilipino, people fail financially or they build a weak financial foundation. So mas malaki pa yung utang kaysa naipon, no? So mas madami pa yung mga gastusin kaysa na save, no? So kaya nga ang weak foundation natin nakatagilid yung bahay natin. So pagdating ng mga problema, like nagkakasakit si nanay, si tatay o yung anak, so nagkakaroon ng malaking problema. Anong nangyayari? So utang ka doon, utang ka dito, or manghihingi ka ng donasyon, or 'di ba, or magmamakaawa ka doon sa Facebook para manghingi ng donasyon para pangbayad sa hospital bills. So yun yung mga nangyayari ngayon, 'di ba? Dahil walang preparation, walang pinaghahandaan, no? So, of course, ang goal natin dito is to build a strong financial foundation or ito po yung hitsura ng strong financial foundation. Dapat kompleto, dapat proseso, dapat nangunguna yung healthcare. Karamihan din sa mga mistake ng mga Pilipino, inuuna yung investment kaysa healthcare. So pagdating ng problema sa health or nawala yung breadwinner dahil namatay, so walang income protection, walang life insurance, so what will happen? The investment na uubos. No, lahat ng investment ubos, no, dahil hindi tama ang pagka-build ng strong financial foundation. So there is a process, no, there is a procedure in building a strong financial foundation. Kaya sabi ko, if you want to provide a comfortable life para sa family mo, then you have to make sure that your strong financial foundation or you have to make sure that your financial foundation is strong, no? Para komportable yung pamilya, 'di ba? You can provide a comfortable life para sa family mo. Okay, so the complete financial plan. Now, ito po yung konsepto ni Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. No, dalawa lang po yung option sa buhay natin or posibleng mangyari po sa buhay natin. Una is what if we die too soon? Who will take care of your family? Of course, ang solution dyan, ma'am, sir, is life insurance or instant money na maiiwan natin sa family. Next, or the option B is, what if we live too long? Who will take care of you? Of course, ang solution dyan is investment and long-term care. Money is working for you, especially for your senior years or during your retirement years. Na ito po yung dalawang option. Hindi lang natin alam kung saan tayo dito, kung sa option A ba or sa option B. But sigurado tayo na it will happen, no? Hindi lang natin alam kung kailan mangyayari. So what we are talking about here is preparation. Kailangan natin maghanda because life is short. No, life or time flies so fast and life has a lot of uncertainties. Hindi natin kontrolado yung mga nangyayari sa buhay po natin. So our three major financial needs is to, of course, make sure we have investment. So investment is to generate continuing income for you when you retire. Money is working for you. So ang ginagawa natin ngayon, younger years, is we work hard for the money. So tayo yung nagtatrabaho para sa pera. But time will come, the money should be working for us. So whatever we invested today, that money will be working for you, will be taking care for you, especially for your retirement. No? Next is income protection or life insurance. That's protection for your family if in case we die too soon. So life insurance protection can help you replace your income, no? Help finance your children's education, pay estate tax, pay debts. That's the instant money na maibibigay natin para sa pamilya, para sa mga anak mo. No? So in other words, ang life insurance ang magiging breadwinner pag mawala yung breadwinner sa family. Number 3, healthcare. To provide you healthcare, especially when you retire or when you stop working, someone to take care of you when you get old. How comfortable is your healthcare situation after age 60? No? Depends on our decision that you make today. So of course, hindi naman natin pwedeng iaasa sa mga anak natin yung ating retirement years. No? Kaya nga marami tayong naririnig, no? Na mga OFWs, no, nang umuwi na si tatay or si nanay sa Pilipinas dahil magretiro na, so ano nangyari? Pinagpasapasahan na ng mga anak because si nanay or si tatay is a liability. No? So, yun yung problema po, no? So, hindi natin malaman kung ano po yung sitwasyon natin in the near future para hindi or maiwasan po natin na mangyari po sa ating mga sarili yan, no, we have to be prepared, no? Kasi of course, your children will have their own family. Your children will have their own problems. They will have their own challenges in life. So, ayaw naman po natin na magiging burden, dagdag tayo sa responsibilidad sa mga anak po natin. So, ang solution po dito para ma-achieve natin yung solid financial foundation or ma-secure po natin yung ating yung mga uncertainty sa buhay po natin is we have to get Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. So Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder, it provides total solution to your healthcare, investment, and insurance needs. Kaya tinatawag siyang 3-in-1 product. So, yun po, no? Kailangan lang natin ma-secure itong tatlo. And ang good news is nasa Kaiser 3-in-1 product na. So, bakit siya tinatawag na Kaiser 3-in-1? Because una, ini-invest sa mutual funds. So, a portion of our funds are invested in shares of stocks and it is being monitored by fund managers who are experts. Our money will earn 10% average interest per year through stock market. So, mas malaki yung interest natin sa investment kumpara sa interest na makukuha natin sa bangko. And ang maganda dito, you are an investor, you are a shareholder, no? Because your money is being invested on this blue chip companies of the Philippines. No? Then we have life insurance, protection against sudden loss of life. And number 3, lifetime healthcare HMO. No, covers hospitalization even beyond age 60. So ito po yung konsepto ni Kaiser 3-in-1. So Kaiser 3-in-1 is basically the long-term healthcare plan. So how it works? So dito na po tayo sa pinaka-importante, no, sa ating presentation, how this Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder work. No? So una, bago natin pag-usapan yung healthcare benefits natin dyan, share ko muna itong program. 7 years ka lang po mag-iipon. So for example, kuha ka ng K100 plan. Itong K100 plan, this is our standard plan. No? So standard plan, tapos kumuha ko ng annual or yearly premium. So meron din tayong semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly installment. No? So for example, kuha ko ng annual installment, isang beses lang ako maghulog in 1 year. Tapos guaranteed, if matapos ko yung 7 years of savings, I have a contract price of 411,750. Ito yung nasa pinakagilid. No? So 411,750, ito yung naipon mo for 7 years. Yes, tama po. 7 years ka lang mag-iipon dito sa ating Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. Hindi po lifetime. So kung nakaya mo magtrabaho dyan sa ibang bansa for more than 7 years, so this 7 years of savings, napakadali mo lang gawin to. No? Kung nakaya mo magtrabaho ng more than 10 years na wala kang niipon, so this is the right time to work for 7 years and to achieve your financial project. Parang financial project na to na kailangan mong tapusin ang 7 years. Guaranteed, after 7 years, fully paid ka na nun. Guaranteed, secured na yung retirement mo. May makukuha ka in the long run. And you also have a protection for your family. So, 7 years ka lang mag-iipon. After 7 years, meron tayong tinatawag na growth period. No? Or maturity period. Or waiting time. So during this waiting time, your money is growing. No, it's earning interest. Most likely is conservative na interest is nasa 10%, no? Every year. So your money is working for you. So habang ikaw nagtatrabaho dyan sa ibang bansa or nasa kumpanya mo ngayon, working very, very hard, your money is also working for you for this 13 years. So your money is being invested. So 7 years of savings plus 13 years of growing, waiting, a total of 20 years. So at the age of 42, ano mangyari? Matured na yung plan natin. Matured na yung plan mo. So after 20 years, meron ka ng maturity value or maturity savings of 1.1 million. Yan. So ito yung maturity savings or maturity value na makukuha mo if you have a K100 plan, our standard plan. So imagine niyo from 411,750 your savings for 7 years, after 20 years, no, nagiging 1.1 million. That means your money is compounding. 'Di ba? Nag-earn ng interest. No? So plus bonus kung hindi mo nagagalaw yung mga healthcare benefits natin, so may bonus 'yan kaya aabot ng 1.1 million. Now, speaking of healthcare benefits, balik tayo doon sa healthcare benefits. So una is we have annual physical examination benefits. So nandyan yung mga APE, CBC, stool and urine analysis, no? Ayan, dyan yung chest x-ray, electrocardiogram, no, lahat po yan libre. No? Ito po yung tinatawag natin na yearly check-up mo. Okay, number 2, we have dental benefits. No, libreng palinis ng ngipin, cleaning sa ngipin, free unlimited tooth extraction, libre din, part of your benefits. Then we have number 3 and number 4, ito yung nagustuhan ko din, nag-garantiya sa ating Kaiser plan, is we have waiver of installments due to death and waiver of installment due to disability. Number 3 and 4. Anong ibig sabihin nito, ma'am? Sir? So, meron po tayong 7, di ba? 7 years kayong nag-iipon if in case mawala yung breadwinner, nawala, namatay, or na-disabled, permanently disabled, so yung 7 years will become fully paid. Ma-fully paid, ma-waive ang 7 years, which means yung policy is transferable sa mga naiiwan. Transferable to your beneficiary. So dito po masasabi natin na yung ipon mo hindi matatapon because your family will be able to receive, no? Mata-transfer yung benefit sa kanila. And they are not obligated to continue paying because na-waive siya. Ma-fully paid yung 7 years. So they are not obligated to continue paying. Okay? So we also have basic medical benefits, members' choice of room and boards, 600 pesos per day, depende yan sa plan po natin. Annual benefit limit or ABL, or in other words, hospitalization funds. So kahit long-term healthcare to, pero during 7 years of savings, if in case magkakasakit tayo, meron po tayong magagamit na hospitalization funds of 60,000 pesos per year within 7 years. So, kailangan lang natin i-make sure na meron tayong 1 year of contributions or nakapaghulog tayo ng 1 year installment para magamit natin yung hospitalization funds, no? At para maka-access tayo sa mga healthcare benefits na to, we need to make sure na meron po tayong pondo, no? 12 months of contributions or 1 year of installment. Then, meron tayong number 8, term life from accumulation until the 20th year. Number 9, accidental death and dismemberment from accumulation until the 20th year. Ibig sabihin nun, we are covered, no? Protected for the next 20 years. If in case may mangyari sa policy holder, aside sa transferable yung policy, makakatanggap din ng instant money yung family natin. No? So, from the insurance benefit. So how much money they will get, depende po sa plan. Kung K100, that's 450,000 pesos instant money. No, that's for the life insurance benefit. And if it's personal accident insurance or accident insurance benefit, that's times 2, no, 900,000 pesos. So guaranteed, may makukuha sila if in case may mangyari po sa atin. And at the same time, transferable yung policy after 20 years, another 1.1 million yung makukuha nila. So magkaiba yung makukuha nilang after 20 years at magkaiba din yung instant money na makukuha nila upon claiming the death benefits. Diba? So, of course, guaranteed na hindi masasayang yung ating naipon. And of course, your family is protected because of our plan. Number 10 is lifetime network access to over 500 hospitals and over 1,000 doctors as long as you have funds. So ito na nga, you are covered beyond age 60. Lifetime po yan as long as you have healthcare funds. No? Kasi after 20 years, pwede mo siyang kunin. Yung 1.1 million, you have 4 options. After the maturity period, you have 4 options. Pwede mong kunin yung 1.1 million. Pwede mong gamitin yan for your business capital or your retirement funds. But when if kukunin mo siya, automatic ma-terminate yung policy po natin. Or yung pangalawang option mo is you can get the 50% and the remaining 50% iwan mo yan para it will continuously grow. No? Or yung third option is interest lang yung kukunin mo, the principal amount, iiwan mo para continuous yung growth. And the last option, kung hindi mo gagalawin yung 1.1 million, guaranteed you have a bigger long-term healthcare funds. So dito papasok yung tinatawag natin na extended period, no? So extended period or harvest period. Pag tungtong mo ng 60, 65, 70, 80, then you are covered lifetime. And so kung i-extend mo yung savings program mo until 60, 65, 70, your money will continue to earn interest. So the bigger savings na mag-grow yung pera mo, the bigger coverage yun na maibibigay sa'yo during your retirement. Ganun po kaganda yung ating savings program. Yung money is working for you at the same time, meron kang protection for your retirement and a protection for your family. So, yun lang po. 7 years of saving period, 13 years of growth period, and then meron tayong extended period or harvest period if your ultimate goal or priority is to protect yourself, no, provide a long-term healthcare funds during your retirement, then pwede mo siyang iwan at hindi gagalawin. Okay? So I hope it's clear for you. And if you have questions or clarification, pwede po tayong mag-usap, no? I-message niyo lang po ako, no? I-chat niyo po ako or tawagan niyo po ako sa Messenger, sa personal Messenger account ko para sa mga clarifications and other concerns po ninyo. Okay? So, ito po yung ating Kaiser Online Policy Management or our Kaiser portal. So, paperless na po tayo, no? And the good thing about this portal is you can access this anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. So, lahat ng kailangan natin, including the policy, no, the contract details, no, lahat ng information, the payment records, no, mamomonitor po natin yung ating contributions, yung ating savings dito po sa ating portal. So meron po tayong transparency po sa ating Kaiser Savings. And nandito din yung mga accredited, a list of accredited hospitals, list of accredited dentists, no, clinics. So lahat ng information that you need to know nandito po sa ating Kaiser's Online Policy Management. So magbibigyan po kayo ng sariling access nito pag meron na po kayong active Kaiser policy number. No? So kailangan i-activate muna yung Kaiser policy natin so you can access your own Kaiser account. No? Bakit natin kailangan? No? Okay, ito po ha. I just want to highlight this kasi karamihan sa mga Pilipino, sabihin nila hindi ko na kailangan kumuha ng Kaiser John because meron naman po akong PhilHealth. No? So i-check natin, no? Let's check the PhilHealth, no? Si PhilHealth is only listed illnesses are covered. So hindi lahat ng mga sakit i-cover ni PhilHealth. No? So you pay PhilHealth until age 60. And then si PhilHealth, it's only healthcare, no life insurance, no investment. Tapos si PhilHealth, 15 to 20% coverage lang ang i-cover niya sa medical bills. So hindi yung buong hospital bill mo yung babayaran niya. Now, what about social security system? Nagbabayad ka ng 2,000, nagbabayad ka ng 17,000 or mahigit or mahal na monthly premium yung SSS contribution mo ang mahal. Pero ang magkano lang yung pensyon na matatanggap mo? 2,400 pesos per month. Kulang yan para sa mga pangangailangan mo, especially for your retirement. No? That's why we have to get Kaiser because Kaiser kompleto na po. So, lahat ng mga needs natin, pangangailangan natin, kayang ibigay po ni Kaiser. So, alam na po natin kung ano po yung konsepto ni Kaiser, complete protection po yung maibibigay niya sa atin. So, kung meron na po kayong PhilHealth and SSS, then dagdagan nyo ng Kaiser para, of course, masigurado nyo na secure talaga kayo. No, mas maganda na mas marami kaysa nagkukulang. Diba? So, get Kaiser na. Why own a long-term healthcare? Of course, you cannot bring with you the healthcare benefits provided by your company when you retire. No, yung healthcare benefits mo sa company, hindi mo pwedeng dalhin yan kung mag-retire ka or kung aalis ka, lilipat ka. Diba? Most sicknesses appear when you retire. Totoo yan. No, karamihan sa mga sakit natin mag-reunion during our retirement, during our senior years. And healthcare is very expensive at old age. Ang pinakamahal na bed wala po sa mga hotels and resorts. Ang mahal na kwarto, ang mahal na bed nasa mga hospitals po. And that's the reality. No? So take action and secure your future now. No? You always have an excuse not to save and invest. No matter what your excuse is, one thing is for sure, you're going to get old next year. So habang every year tumatanda po tayo, nadagdagan po yung edad natin every year, mabilis lang po yung takbo ng buhay, hindi natin namalayan na, 'di ba? 55 na pala ako. 'Di ba? And of course, no matter what your excuse is, your children or your child will grow up and you would need money for his or her education. No matter what your excuse is today, you will eventually retire and stop making active income. So ito yung sinabi ko kanina, your income stops because you will retire, but your expenses, your lifestyle will continue, no, habang buhay. So, ang tanong doon is meron ka na bang preparation, no? You have to be prepared for these kind of situations kasi alam natin na mangyayari yan, no? Mangyayari at mangyayari yan. So, ito po yung ating mga accredited bank accounts. So if you choose to pay through online bank transfer, no? So ito po yung ating mga accredited bank accounts ni IMG. Account name is IMG or International Marketing Group. Partner din natin si Palawan Pawn Shop, Palawan Express, Pera Padala. So for more details about this, about the other payment options na meron tayo, you can coordinate with me, you can chat or tawagan niyo po ako para sa other payment options. And bago natin tapusin, if you want also to know what are the plans available, we have plans based on age bracket. No, we have 10, minimum age is 10 years old and maximum age is 60 years old. So we have age brackets 10 to 40 years old, 41 to 50 years old, and 61, I'm sorry, 41 to 50 years old, 51 to 60 years old. So ito po yung mga age brackets po natin. So meron po tayong mga plans, no? The higher the plans, the bigger coverage, no? The bigger maturity value or savings na mababalik po sa atin. So if you want to know more about the plans, no? Please chat or tawagan niyo po ako, coordinate with me para ma-discuss po natin yung mga available plans that suit you. No? Na pwede para sa inyo, na komportable kayong maghulog, and of course, deserving para sa inyong mga pamilya at para sa inyong sarili. So once again, this is my QR code, IMG QR code, no? And then my link dyan. So once again, my name is John Ray Estorio. For more details, usap po tayo sa aking personal messenger, or please add niyo po ako sa aking personal Facebook account para you can easily coordinate with me, or you can contact me easily so we can discuss this further. Thank you po, and I hope marami po kayong na-realize sa ating simpleng presentation. And again, for more info and for further assistance, please message me or contact me po ako sa personal messenger ko po. God bless everyone, and thank you for listening. Bye-bye po.